2:40 p.m. PT, Jacob's attorney, LaMarr, tells TMZ, the family's disheartened by the judge's decision and, it goes without saying, disagree with its account of the evidence. Jacob's legal team says, along with many Americans across the country, maintain the belief that the video evidence depicts nothing short of willful conduct by Officer Shesky. LaMarr adds, our country cannot continue to withstand the days of officers avoiding criminal consequences by rationalizing egregious behavior on the premise of fear, mistake, or pure negligence. Racial and implicit bias is a willful act. He also said, America cannot continue to perpetuate willful blindness to grave injustices. Jacob's legal team will continue to seek justice in our civil system, whereas such a standard is inapplicable. The Kenosha PD officer who shot Jacob Blake in the back 7 times, and who's avoided state prosecution, will also not face federal charges. The U.S. Justice Department said Friday it will not pursue federal criminal charges against Rustin Shesky. The feds say the evidence obtained is insufficient to prove that the KPD officer willfully used excessive force. Remember, Blake was unarmed, back in August 2020, when Shesky opened fire at point-blank range. Video of the shooting sparked racial justice protests across the country, and led to the Colorado House shooting. According to the feds, a team of experienced federal prosecutors from the Civil Rights Division and the U.S. Attorney's Office reviewed the evidence to determine whether the police officer violated any federal laws. The feds added that a detailed and lengthy analysis of numerous materials, including police reports, law enforcement accounts, witness statements, affidavits of witnesses, dispatch logs, physical evidence reports, photographs and videos of some portions of the incident. In essence, prosecutors say they couldn't establish beyond a reasonable doubt that the officer willfully deprived Jacob of his constitutional rights. The feds say neither accident, mistake, fear, negligence, nor bad judgment is sufficient to establish a willful federal criminal civil rights violation. As we reported, Kenosha County District Attorney Michael D. Gravely also announced back in January that Shesky would not be charged for the shooting. Gravely said Shesky acted in self-defense, and it was necessary for the officer to use lethal force to stop Jacob from potentially harming him or others. The shooting left Jacob paralyzed. The Justice Department says it's already informed his family about the decision not to charge Shesky. Originally published, 1:42 p.m. PT,